Hello friends. Today with us our patient now is like my friend, Mr. Anand Patel, and he's all the way from America, Los Angeles, California, to get his transplant done here at our clinic. So I would like to tell something about his experience, how you came here, and how was your experience during and after the surgery. So up to you.
So I'm Anand Mehta. I first, I realized I needed to do some hair transplant because of my receding hairline. I was totally, artist procedure was great, but after further research, a lot of those doctors I found that I had recently scheduled my procedure with, they seemed to be very inexperienced. Through a reference, at the last minute, I found Dr. Bhatt here, and I called him, and he was very accommodating and was able to take me in to do the surgery at the last minute. He provided me with many references, about 15 references, who I contacted right away. I spoke to about 3 of them, and they walked me through the entire process of the procedure. Some had just got their process taken care of, the procedure done, and some had done over a year ago or 3 years ago. And even at least 1 or 2 of them, were already on the way to scheduling their next procedure, and others were just finishing their first process. When I came in for the procedure, Dr. Bhatt went through the process with me. He showed me the hairlines, gave me some realistic expectations, and at the facility itself, he gave me a tour of it. It was clean. There was no questions. A lot of times when you come from America, we've heard that maybe some places in India, they're not as clean, they may not be as good, but there was no question here. It's clean. And any facility I've been to in America is nice. Everyone's very helpful. We reviewed the different types of my hairline, and he explained to me that what makes sense for me as far as my hair loss. The day of the procedure.
Yes, because he has got some elongated face, so I given him 3-4 choices of hairline, but this V-shaped hairline suits him the most because he has got the elongated face. And he can you come closer. This is how we created the hairline, which looks perfectly natural once they grow. And he lost some hair from the sides as well, so we did this side triangle also, which normally people loses from here, and once it grows up, it gives pretty natural look here. So this is the area which we have transplanted. So almost 3,500 odd grafts we have transplanted to this area. So I would like to give your opinion during the procedure, how it was, like how painful it is, or like how do you feel about that?
So the day of the procedure, I came in the morning. The team helped me get prepped for the procedure. Again, Dr. Bhatt walked me through the process with one more consultation about how the hairline and how it will look, pretty much how it looks like right now. And we shaved my head. We discussed how we're going to go about it. The staff again was very helpful, and they walked me through everything that they were doing. The only pain was like if you go to a dentist and they inject Novocaine. Other than that, it was pretty painless. I couldn't even tell when they were extracting the hairs and when they were putting new hairs in. During the procedure itself, all of the staff, they were very helpful. If any questions, any comments that they even said, they kept asking me constantly if I feel any pain, let them know. During the procedure, there was like a little 1-hour break in there where they gave me some nice food. They made sure that I was okay the entire process. At the very end of it, they walked me out and they made sure that I was safe. And Dr. Bhatt gave me some medications and walked me through the whole post-op process. In the post-op process, if I had any questions, I contacted him, and he immediately answered the questions. He even told me I could come back in and review them in person if I had any concerns, and he put all my concerns at ease. My procedure just finished a couple days ago, so I'm still in the post-op process, but I'm already looking forward to coming back for the next procedure. Because I had extensive hair loss, obviously you cannot do it all at once, so I'm already looking forward to working with Dr. Bhatt in the future and his friendly staff, and have my full hairline back again. Thank you.
Thank you for your review.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Would you recommend the other people?
I would, I would definitely recommend you to other people. There are a lot of people. There are a lot of choices. I did my research. I spoke to and communicated with about probably at least 10 different doctors in India, and I would definitely recommend Dr. Bhatt to anyone if you have any concerns, any questions. I've already recommended him to at least 2 of my friends, and in the 2 days since my procedure, and I would recommend anybody to go to him.
Yes, thank you very much. Thanks for your honest and generous opinion about our clinic.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping me.